Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever taken a photo that looked absolutely perfect, except for those distracting dark shadows creeping into the frame? Whether it is a harsh shadow on a wall behind your subject or an uneven cast on a floor, today I am going to show you exactly how to remove shadows in Photoshop like a pro. This tutorial covers two of the most effective methods to clean up your images, so make sure you watch until the end. If this video helps you improve your editing workflow, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly design tutorials. Let us jump right into our first method, which is the absolute gold standard for background shadows: content-aware fill. First, open your image in Photoshop. Select the lasso tool by pressing the L key on your keyboard. With the tool active, carefully draw a selection around the shadow you want to remove. You don't need to be pixel perfect, but keeping the selection relatively close to the shadow edges helps the software work better. Once your area is selected, head up to the top menu, click on Edit, and then select Content Aware Fill. A new window will pop up. Photoshop is now intelligently analyzing your image to find the best surrounding pixels to replace that dark shadow. You'll see a preview on the right. If it looks correct, simply click OK, and boom, the shadow is gone. This method is incredibly fast and works like magic for walls, floors, or any texture-heavy background. Now, sometimes you need a little more manual precision, which brings us to our second method, the clone stamp tool. This is ideal when you need to maintain specific textures or when the background is too complex for automatic tools. Select the clone stamp tool by pressing the S key. At the top settings bar, make sure you choose a soft-edged brush. This is crucial for seamless blending. Now hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, or Option if you're on a Mac, and click on a clean area right next to the shadow. This tells Photoshop to copy that specific texture. Then simply paint over the shadow area to replace it. A pro tip here: if the transition looks too harsh, lower your brush opacity to around 70 or 80% and layer the strokes until it looks natural. By combining these two techniques, you can handle almost any lighting issue you encounter. I hope this video helped you clean up your photos with ease. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.